Hello, my sweets. Our reading focus this week is finding the lesson of a story, and which is also called the moral of the story. And this is not something new that you guys are being introduced to. We have been talking about finding the lesson or understanding the lesson of a story throughout the school year. The lesson is what the author wants the reader to learn from the story. So many authors will have a moral or a lesson of the story that you may be able to relate to your life. So, and obviously, you may also hear it called the moral of the story. Here's some tips for finding the lesson. What is the main character going through? So, this week we are reading the book Salt in His Shoes. So, while you are listening to the story, I want you to think about what is Michael Jordan going through throughout the story. So, what's the lesson that he's learning throughout the story? There might be some certain words or phrases that might be repeated in the story, so like hard work or working hard, stick with it. So listen for those repeated phrases and words throughout the story to help you figure out what the lesson is or the moral is. What part makes you think? So, what do you learn from it? So, when you are reading the story, you may be able to relate it to your own life, and you might learn something from the story that you can take and do in your own life. All right, my sweets, that is it for finding the lesson or the moral of the story.